Hi boys. Hi girls. How are you today? I'm Miss Hayam. You are in grade 2, right? Do you go to the farm? Yeah? What can you see there? Excellent. We can see animals there. Do you love farm animals? Me too. What can you see on the farm? I can see a duck. I can see ducks. I can see a horse. I can see horses. I can see a goat. I can see goats. I can see a cow. I can see cows. I can see a donkey. I can see donkeys. I can see a rabbit. I can see rabbits. I can see a chicken. I can see chickens. I can see a sheep. I can see sheep. Listen, we didn't put S with sheep, right? So 1 sheep, 3 sheep. Also, fish. I can see a fish. I can see fish. So 1 fish, 5 fish. On the farm, we learn about animal products. What are animal products? They are things that we get from animals. We get lots of things from animals. Eggs, meat, cheese, milk, butter, and wool. We get milk, meat, and wool from sheep. Also, we get milk, wool, and meat from goats. We get milk and meat from cows. We get eggs and meat from chickens. So, do we get milk from sheep? Yes, we do. Do we get meat from chickens? Yes, we do. Do we get eggs from goats? No, we don't. Do we get wool from cows? No, we don't. Okay, bye for now.